So yeah, quick update on the CL63. Oh my god, such a beautiful car. So problematic per usual. As you guys can see, there's this trail here. Came today to come check it out. I was gonna pick it up and drive it to work this week because one of the main parts is fixed, but that's not a possibility because the like one of the coolant line things broke off, unfortunately. So it's not gonna happen today probably, but you know, it does drive a lot better than before because there's like a hole in the throttle plate, so now it doesn't bounce around anymore. But god damn, this is such a beautiful car. As you guys can see over here, a CLS 550, one of the newer ones with the V8 twin turbo. But yeah, as you guys could see, unfortunately, things didn't go according to plan. So maybe if we're lucky, they'll be able to figure something out to plug that line, and then we'll get to drive it this week, or maybe one of these days. But yeah, it's such a beautiful car though. Yeah, that was just a quick little update on it because it was supposed to be a full video, but we're unable to drive it. So we'll get back to you guys in a little while when we figure that out, and then I'll probably just do a E36 update as well, just because yeah, there's nothing else for me to do. Get back to you guys in a second.